Yo, yo, yo! Live from Chicago, Illinois. It's the board.
Ho, 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 motherfucker!
And what we're doing here, hey guys, what's the date today? What's the date?
December 24th, 2010.
Yeah, baby, we got Kadir. We got Kadirski. We got homeboy Derek Man in the house. We got Johnny B. Good.
As always.
And we got yours truly, Mr. Nick McMahon.
Yeah, boy!
And what we got here is we got the truck open.
Tailgating, Miami style.
I'm gonna walk it over here in case you get a little cold. You can just go in the truck. You know what I'm saying?
And listen to the boss sing the holiday spirit.
You know what I'm saying? And then, and if you get a little cold, just feel free to walk up this door right here. And then you go up to the second, and then we're just right in our house. So that's our house right there.
Why don't you come in? Well, can I commandeer the video
Sure, yeah,
camera?
sure. Johnny's gonna take you inside and show you a little bit of Christmas.
Here, you nurse this eggnog drink that I made for you.
I got a beer, but I will drink that too.
Eggnog as well,
Thank
okay?
you, sir. Hey,
right.
guys, I'll see you just a little bit later.
Here we go. Okay,
Merry Christmas!
Yeah.
Woo!
If you have to go inside, I gotta go grab my beverage, my holiday beverage. So we're just gonna be walking inside here. We're gonna go right up these stairs. Yeah, baby. And guess what, guys? Look downstairs. Who do you see down there? Yeah. Who do you see down there? Who do you see, guys? Oh, all right, cool. So we're just up here now. This is our apartment. Bada bing. Okay. Going inside. And oh, the beverage making station. Oh, we should probably close that. Alright. Beverage making station. This is the secret to all your eggnog fantasy pleasures. My family uses it. It's awesome. And we got some of the... Oh, oops. Already finished that one. You got this one here. There we go. You got some Stoli. Got your old OJ and Dean Eggnog's finest. So you got a little Dean's eggnog. Cool. Oh, the internet side. If you notice, we have our lovely Christmas light set up here. Yes, sir, ma'am, and a wonderful Christmas tree. Hey-oh, with a bright shining star. Oh, there we go. Some presents underneath. And there's Kadirski. Yeah, Kadirski, can I get a yo-yo-yo?